It's been a month since I'm using these HONOR TWS earphones, and these are really awesome. The case quality, its size, and the pearl white color of the earphones is really good. These are its inbox contents, and if you haven't watched the unboxing video, here's the link in the cards. The earphones are very light in weight and very comfortable to wear, and you can carry it in the smallest pocket of your jeans too. On the case we have LED notification light, USB Type-C slot for charging, and a button for pairing. There's also an additional LED light inside the case. The case quality is very good and it has magnet in it, which holds it and do not open unless you want to open it, and it is very responsive at the same time. The build quality of these earphones is premium, as the pearl white color do justice to its name. Apart from that, the cone shaped design is very impressive, and you don't feel any problem in wearing these even if you wear it for whole day. The microphone used in these earphones is really performing great. Active noise cancellation during calls and listening to music is actually working very good. So to pair these to your phone, you just need to open Bluetooth of your smartphone and open the case of your earphones. Here you can see green light is there, so you just need to press and hold the pairing button for around 3 seconds, and you'll see the green light will start blinking, and that's the sign of pairing mode is on of your earphones. Now you can see that my smartphone is showing that earphones, so just click on it and now you are ready to use it. To connect and disconnect, you don't need to power it on or off. Once you will keep the earphones in case and close it, it will automatically get disconnected, and when you open the case, your earphones will be connected back to your smartphone. I have tested its audio quality listening to many songs, and I found that the bass quality and the overall sound production is very nice in these earphones, and with the Huawei Hisense sound effects, it works like a pro. And the touch control, the double tap to play pause music, is very responsive and works without any issue. I have also tested it for video calls and voice calls, and I found no issues during my calls. And for the battery part, well, it has a nice backup. On a single charge, I have enjoyed around 3 hours of continuous music. And the good thing is I can recharge it with my charging case, and within 15 minutes of charging, I can again use it for calls and music. And the charging case can charge these earphones for around 3 or 4 times, that means around 13 hours of music playback, and around 12 or 13 hours of calls you can get on a single charge of the case. So overall, I am very impressed by HONOR TWS earphones, and these earphones are futuristic, fully wireless, and comes with a premium finish. So I'm really very impressed by this. What are your thoughts on these? Do let me know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching this video. This is Akash, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care.